particular video here. Mr.Greens car designs. It's basically about my designs, car designs. Okay, this particular picture here. This particular picture here is how you will see it on the computer. Okay. Only difference is mine is drawn by pencil. It's not necessarily like this copy once it's presented. Once it's presented, this is how it would be. This particular one is automotive industrial design engineering. Basically done the same way. Just when you pull it up on the computer. Remember when I told you earlier, when you doing your double Photoshop and your CAD drafting, this is how it will come up. At first you have to draw and sketch it, but once you finish, this is how it's gonna look. This particular one isn't mine, but it's an example of mine. Another example. See? You see the piece of paper, the color pencil. The fella's drawing it. Okay. This particular another example. You notice how the contrast is different between red color pencil and blue color pencil. Me, I mostly use pencil and crayon. Another example is this particular brochure is from Academy of Art Design. This is basically where I get all my information, most of it. Before I draw and design any type of vehicle I draw, the papers and type of pencils and things that I use is the school doesn't provide it. I get my own stuff, but this is one of the brochures and blogs I go by. Another example. See this particular photograph here? Where the fella has it mounted onto the walls. My drawer is the same way. Notice in the picture, you see the fellow with the computer, the screen. I also can do this. I'm in the process of getting me another computer like that. I had one, but it got sabotaged. Flat screen TV got sabotaged as well. In order to replace it, I have to buy the whole thing. It's the full amount of money, which I don't have it. This is a $12,000 piece of equipment you're looking at for each part, not mentioning the screen. This particular part here, what the fella is using to draw it on the screen and actually pick it up from the paper and upload it to the screen with his hand. This is called CAD draft in auto body design and double Photoshop element. My classmate Wilma Daniels can explain to you how I did it in the library when she saw me do it. Just gonna give you some implications of mine's. Mr.Greens car designs. Here we go. This is one of my designs here. You notice my texture and sketch and my preparation, as well as my drawing of my wheels and base and all of that. This is the interior of the car. This particular car is a SH5 Porsche. SH5 Porsche. Final look. These particular numbers you see there are the codes for the car itself. By the way, this is like I said, this is a Porsche SH5 big body. The roof comes down. It's drop top. It's aerodynamic. Good wheel suspension. These particular rims you see on it are my rims design. They're called 8-baller rims. You notice the illustration, how I've drawn them. They look sort of like J.J. Irvin's. $2,300 a set. This is called a Hummer 845. This is one of my designs. This particular car is a 845 Boss Mac, but it's made in the form of a Porsche. You notice how it looks. Got to excuse me, people, for the light. It's kind of inconducive. 845 Camaro. Boss 845 Camaro. Like I said, all of these are my designs. This is the particular engine block I drew for the Boss Mac 845. This is the Boss Mac 845 Jaguar. This is the interior, this is the seat. This is the trunk button, this is the hood button. Same particular car, Jaguar 845, except for this is a more of a smaller type vehicle, sports car type one. You notice I have all the components drawn. If anybody don't believe this is mine, you can ask Mr. B here at the college, at Edge Complimentary College. He remember when I first drawed it, because he tried to get me into the auto body repair course in Tarboro. This is the dashboard. Radio components, 5 CD disc changer. Radio, radar scan on top. Built-in television. Anybody interested in buying these designs from me, price is negotiable. It's 845 Jaguar. It's another style of it, just drawn in a different perspective. I turn it this way. See? This is the fabrication I drew on the back. Any type of design and engineering that you do, remember you have to be proficient in math. This particular drawing is sketched and drawn by a protractor. Final look. 3-dimensional drawing. This particular car is a Lexus 2020 design. It's a 5 CD disc changer. You notice the body, style, texture. Good look. See, Chevrolet 2099. Notice my framework. Kind of look. It's the Boss Mac 800. This particular engine block for Boss Mac 800. Final looks. Fabrication. Final look. See? Notice the back. I drew my own emblem to explain this is my logos. Once again, people, if you see these letterings, these type letters, these are my letters. You see my name, you see my emails. These are mine. Final look. Fabrication doors. Final look. In the process of learning CAD drafting. Dashboard. Final look. Boss Mac 800. Steering wheel. Notice the B is my logo, which indicates boss. Final look. The grill. You notice you see the boss emblem, which is my nickname, boss.